Okay, so for today I got a Dell 7275 tablet 2-in-1. Yeah, 7275. It's a nice looking tablet, but personally I do not like it much. So let's turn it on and then we'll speak why I don't like it. It has as well keyboard extension. It's not bad, but it has its flaws. Alright, anyway, so first of all, why I don't like it is this tablet laptop. It has only two connectors for USB-C, so one and two. One is charging, one is Thunderbolt, one then SD card, which you can put volume up and down, and this would be connector to connect to the keyboard. That's all. So basically, because I got multiple to fix, you cannot put USB, not in the tablet on its own, not even on the extension for the keyboard. Like, there is no USB. You cannot put USB. You will need to get connector, USB-C to USB, like normal, then you can do stuff. Because since I'm trying to fix them, I'm trying to make new windows and all this stuff, and it's, unless you buy docking station or connector, docking station is around €100. So I actually ordered it so I can work, but I don't know, I don't find it very useful to be like this or very easy to use. Overall, it is a good tablet. Let me make it there. Okay, so I placed it there so it's easier for me to speak and hold it and explain. Overall, let me see. Alright. Keyboard has lights on it. Sound is good. The specifications are, yes, I put the 128 SSD, M.2. It takes only M.2, and then it has Intel Core M5, not i5, M5, 6U57, and it works at 1.1 or 1.51. It has 8 gigs of RAM, and that RAM you cannot upgrade or put it more or less. You cannot control it. It is soldered on motherboard. I have another one to show you, the ones that we opened. So this one does not have the screen. Yeah. Let me try taking it from here. Okay. The keyboard we do not need. I'm going to make video how to open and come to this point as well. As you can see, you can put SSD. Need to be M.2, need to fit in this. This is the place where battery goes. And then for the RAM, that isn't. It's soldered on motherboard, so it is impossible to upgrade. It is possible, but it's not gonna be worth it. So, where were we? Yes, 1 to 8 gigs of SSD, 8 gigs of RAM. Overall, it works well. It works fast, because I don't know why this touchscreen now it does not want to work. Yes, another point. Sometimes when you try to remove it from here, it stick. Okay, but then when you put it back, I found that multiple times the keyboard and stuff are not going to work for some reason. Mine has plenty of updates, so maybe that's why the touchscreen. Yeah, so I'm going to sort that later. overall, oops, if you are fine with not having USB, and if you are fine with all the time holding this so it doesn't fall, if you want to move it, it will fall like you just saw it. It has this extension back to hold it, and that's all, and it's not really stable. It tends to slide all the time, so I don't know. You see what is going on. So if you want to move it around, you need to hold it with both hands firmly. Yeah, it's just a disaster. I don't know why I need to disable this. Let me try to make it in tablet. Okay, so I put it. Now it's all good. Touchscreen is working. So yes, those key points are. Let me see. I don't think I downloaded the driver, so I cannot show you the graphic card. But it was Intel HD. Normally, I didn't make the drivers. Display. Yeah, it won't show. You can make tablet mode. It's way easier for me to do it this way than the other way. Made tablet mode. Come on. Takes a while, even though it has 8 gigs of RAM and it has SSD inside. And you can use it as it is, but overall, I don't know. Key points that I do not like are keyboard all the time moving. It doesn't have USB whatsoever. You only have 2 USB-C. Unless you buy extension with like docking station or something for the USBs and other stuff, it's gonna be hard to use if you want to put anything. And the annoying thing, sometimes this, it's when you put it back, it doesn't light up always keyboard. So you need to like keep putting it up and down, up and down, up and down to be able to use it, to use the keyboard like what I'm doing now. I don't know. Tell me your opinion, but this is mine.